another breaking news that we are tracking. Farmers have called for a Punjab Bandh today. This after Sharwan Singh Pandher said that Punjab Bandh call for December 30th has been gaining traction and support from various groups. Punjab Bandh will be observed today from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. He said, and I quote, "We have received support from many unions and groups. Both Punjab government and private offices will remain closed on this day. Rail movement and road traffic will also be closed." The protest is being organized by the farmers of Punjab at the Kanori border in Sangrur district near the Haryana border, and this has entered its 318th day. Lalit is joining us live. Lalit, a very good morning to you. Tell us more about this Punjab Bandh call given by farmers, and also what are the reasons for this Bandh call to be given by the farmer groups?
Very good morning. If you talk about this Punjab Bandh, a call has been given by the Sanjukta Kisan Morcha non-political, and today all over Punjab from 7 a.m. till 4 p.m. majority of the things would be at halt. And if we talk about the areas which would be affected, mostly would be the transport department and the trains. More than 150 trains would be disrupted. They would be at halt from 7 till 4. Other than that, if we talk about the Punjab roadways, it would also be at halt. And majority of the buses all over Punjab would be at halt. And if you talk about those buses traveling to the neighboring state, which includes the Haryana, Himachal or Delhi, all those buses would also be at halt. The milk supply, the petrol supply, all those things would also be at halt. So a big call has been given by the Sanjukta Kisan Morcha non-political, as Jagji Dallewal, the farmer leader, has been sitting on to fast on to death from 26th November onwards. And if we talk about the farmers' demands, it's more than 10 months that the farmers are sitting at the Shambhu and Kanori border. What they are demanding is that they want the legal guarantee for the MSP. So no talks have been done since February this year, and after that farmers have been sitting at the Shambhu and the Kanori border. They have tried to intensify their stir by moving to the national capital.
Right, Lalit, the protest by farmers has now entered the 318th day. Whether the deadlock ends or not remains to be seen, but many thanks for joining me with those details. With that, viewers, it's time for us to slip into a very short break, but on the other side, we'll tell you more about the farmers' protest and the Punjab Bandh call given by them. Stay tuned.